Hi, my name is Tooba. I'm a sophomore at MIT, majoring in biological engineering with the minor in public policy. So one fateful day in high school, I came across this TED Talk about gene drives, which is this really cool technology that makes inheritance biased. And so I fell in love with biological engineering and I applied to MIT and I started working in the lab of the man who created the technology itself, Kevin Esvelt. So pretty much all of freshman year, I worked on improving the genome editing efficiency of CRISPR, and I dabbled my hand in gene drives and daisy drives that the lab works on, which was very interesting. But then I decided to explore more interests and I got more into synthetic biology. I got selected for the MIT iGEM team and also got to represent the institution at the Giant Jamboree last October. iGEM was interesting because I got to go through the entire scientific process through this opportunity, from the idea conception to drawing out experiments to then actually implementing those experiments and then finally collecting and analyzing data and presenting that at the Giant Jamboree through a presentation and a poster session. And I think that really allowed me to grow as a scientist and a researcher. But as I was doing a lot of these things, a lot of my interest was being piqued in policy areas because I understood how science policy was very relevant in making sure that the technologies that we were creating here at MIT could be implemented into the real world. And so this semester I'm working with Professor Amar Gupta at CSIL, looking up a policy regarding telemedicine in underdeveloped regions. But at the same time, I'm also working at the Media Lab again at the Fluid Interfaces Group, working on wearable biotech. And so I hope that in the future I can continue doing policy and science.